We are here, we are here, we are here. One is an amazing day. Hey everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Hey guys, we are marking up DOT USD. Take a look at what's going on in the market. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action candle is a bullish candle, is working its way up. Don't know how far. Overall direction, like it's coming from some type of triple top. So price action goes up. We're looking for price to tag this area here. So we're looking for price to tag this area here. Price comes down. We're looking for price to come down to this low here. So we can clearly see that market price is in a range of the midpoint where it's currently at. Overall structure, market spiked up once, market spiked up twice, came back down. Market's at that midpoint. Are we going to get a W in here? The market's going to push up. We're going to see if we're going to get a market can push up and come right back down, retest the bottom, and drop down further. And let's head down to the weekly time frame to see what's going on. Okay, so price action candle on the weekly time frame is a doji. So that's the market's consolidating. So think about putting the market into a range at these levels. And we're going to see if the market's going to break out of this area here, retest the top, break up further. It's going to break down, retest the bottom, break down further down, or is it going to consolidate sideways? Market price is coming from some type of single top and a retest, and then market push down once, market push down twice. So that means we have a W pattern. If we're looking at a first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, market's at the retest. Is that the market going to push up after that? Or is that market respecting for that double top with the first leg coming down in red with the second leg, white with the third leg, coming down in fourth with the red doji? Not really coming down because market price is still at the high. Still got to wait till it's going to figure out what it's going to do. And if it's going to push down. So we're looking for an engulfing pattern after the doji that is currently on. Headed down to the daily time frame. So we can see that price action came to that midpoint. Go back a little bit. We're going to stay in that area of consolidation. So we're going to remove the high. Remove the midpoint. Remove the low. Headed down to the daily time frame. Okay, so we can see that market spiked up multiple times in that area near price. So back here, it spiked up once, came down, spiked up twice, came back down, third spike, fourth spike, 5 spikes. The market's pushing up to this area of resistance, and we only have one breakout, but not a full breakout or retest. So that's not, we only had a touch at the resistance areas multiple times. The price is coming from a single top and a retest. Market came down, created a W. So we have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Now, markets engulfed the previous area, second to last candle. Price action working its way up. If we get that engulfment above this area here, market's working its way up further. So we're looking for a break and retest at this area. Current price is in that uptrend. So all we have to do is figure out the midpoint of that area. So you're going to look at price action, high is high, low is low. Let's say midpoint is about somewhere right here. Now we're going to see if we're going to get a break and retest at this area in a lower time frame. Headed down to the 4 hour. All right, so first thing we see, market came down from the low, so we are in that uptrend from that W. We did get the break of the midpoint. Market price is coming from this type of W. We got the first leg, market pushed up, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest. Market pushed up once, market pushed up twice. So market's on the second push. We did not receive a retest yet. If the market breaks the midpoint as it currently did, we look for that market to come back down and retest this candle, the support of the midpoint to push up further. Or we'll just get candles as further it's going to break out. So we're going to see if we can identify the break and retest in the lower time frame. And the highest price is trying to get to is back up to this resistance area. We didn't get the retest of the midpoint yet. Just see the push headed down to the 1. So after 1, we stopped at an area of resistance. So this is area of resistance up top. The midpoint is the low. So we're going to see what this market's going to do. So basically, this market is some type of consolidation currently. So we're going to see if that market's going to consolidate sideways. Is it going to break out, retest the top, go up further? Is it going to drop back down to get the full retest, and then push back up? Headed down to the 45. Price action candle, doji, indecisive. We have to wait for the next candle to form to engulf. Second to last candle is just a push up to the top. Headed down to the 30. We have third to last candle, market pushed up to the top. Second candle, retest. Third candle, we got to wait to see if it's going to engulf the previous candle to see if this market's going to push up, push down. So right now is in that consolidation of that sideways. Is in that consolidation right now. Headed down to 15-minute. Now we can still see the consolidation. Also, we can see patterns. So market pushed up once, came back down to that white. Market pushed up twice. Oh, wait, hold on. Market pushed up once. Yeah, came back down. Second leg, pushed back up with the third leg in red. Pushed back down. So we had that double top formation, but not fully formed just because we didn't get the full breakout. Headed over the 15-minute time frame. So price action candle, last candle in the market currently, has to engulf the third to last candle, close out, and that market can push down. But there's a chance that the market may not, because also that third to last candle comes with a long wick. So that market's coming with a long wick behind it. That may not be an area where the market can, what the market can do is not break the support, get the retest, and what will happen is this area will be respected as a support area, so market would spike down for the second time and then go back up. And that means we'll be in that structure of that first leg, second leg, third leg. Market push up that 4. Headed down to the 5. So we can see the pushes up to the top. Market spiked up once, market spiked up twice, market spiked below the midpoint area of this area is near the retest of the doji. So we're going to see if that market's going to spike up. Is it going to break and retest this area here to come down further, or is it going to shoot down further? But in this area, you pay attention to patterns. The market's going to do what it do. Headed down to the 3. Extended market. Headed down to the 1. Broken up market with extension. Okay, guys, very important information. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images. Very important information, guys. Please review and study breakdown retest strategy. Click on images. Review the images. Very helpful. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. DOT USD.